that I sit down and pee now. But hold on. Because you get tired of waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning, you stand there peeing and going 3 different directions, and you got to turn the light on and clean up. Not me. I sit down with confidence. I don't give a fuck no more. I'm just right there like this. And I leave the door open so whatever woman stayed tonight can see she made a bad decision. Fellas, don't you hate when you sit on the toilet at 3 o'clock in the morning and your dick falls in that cold water and they wake you up? Look at all the women here. Your dick in the water? It sure is.